Goo Gaga. Goo Gaga.
Oh, sorry, squad. We managed to escape. We managed to escape. We ran into the room. And Serena was first. So she went to the basement, but we weren't able to make it to the basement. He came back for us, so we came in this room. And then we closed the door, and he ran down to the basement because she left the door open. She left the door open. He ran down. And next thing I know, I heard a scream. I heard a loud scream, so I know she's down in the basement. And me and Cyrus, we gotta go get her. We gotta go get her, Cyrus, we gotta go get her. We gotta get her. Get ready, come on. Oh, sorry, squad, let me turn you around. Come on. Oh my goodness. We gotta make sure, Cyrus, come here. We gotta make sure he's not at the door. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's not at the door. He's not at the door. Cyrus, be really quiet, okay? Be really quiet. Oh, sorry, squad, we're gonna go rescue Raina. Oh my goodness. Grab my hand, take my hand. It's all right. We got each other. All right, come on. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my goodness. You're right, Cyrus. Shh. Oh my goodness. They're the box. Cyrus, we gotta check it out again. We gotta make sure. We gotta make sure he's not. Oh, he's not there. Oh my goodness. He's not there. Oh. Come on, Cyrus. Oh. I can't believe he took her. Come on, Cyrus. Come to me. Hold on. Wait for me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. He can hide in some places. He can be anywhere. He can be watching us right now. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's check. Okay, he's not in there. Let's see. Let's just close. He could be anywhere. But he's not. Okay. She's in here. Raina, we're coming. We're coming, Raina. Here we come. We're coming to get you. Go, Raina, there you go. Cyrus, he's back.